Welcome to Busy Bee Woodworking. Today we're just showing a quick little jig we put together using the Rockler clampet assembly squares. And we did this specifically to help us with our face frames or our cabinets, but this can really be used whenever you're attaching two pieces using pocket holes. You can see we just took the size of the material that we were using and just secured one of the assemblies down to a nice flat surface. This is actually leftover from my old radio arm saw top that I replaced. And then we brought the other piece in so it would be nice and tight against that material. So now we can quickly slide in the material that we're trying to attach, and once it's in there we know it's going to be a nice perfect 90-degree angle. We can quickly use the Kreg jig flat clamp, but you can use any type of C-clamp that has those little flat edges on there to hold the material down. That way it will be flush to both sides, and the squares themselves will hold it at a perfect 90. Now, the few seconds that it took to set up this jig really helped out in this job, because you can see how quickly I can move through making a face frame. Now, this was a quick tip, but I thought it was very helpful and I wanted to share. And if you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you very much, because that really helps out. If this is your first time viewing our channel, why don't you go ahead and click on some other videos, and if you like it, please think about subscribing. As always, take care and go make some dust.